The biggest thing that I learned was that you have to have an assessor go in and evaluate it, and then you bring in the remediation company, and that it's a New York state law and that you have to go through that process in order to get everything done.
I learned that anything over 10 square feet that we have to have it done by a licensed contractor.
Yes, I did. There was interesting ways of presenting the same information that I may have heard before, and it reinforces the way I'm looking at things.
Oh yeah, nope, he's great. That was everything went smooth, nice, good presentation skills, good job.
Russ is great. He made it fun and interesting and easy to listen to.
I felt the presentation was very good today. Russ made sometimes a very complex issue very simple, very easy to understand, while still not talking down to people. It was a really great event.
Absolutely. Well, I work for a property management team, so all my property managers, it's great information, even our maintenance techs. I was actually thinking about it as we were watching this. I'm like, oh, this would be something to actually have brought my maintenance techs in just to see and get an understanding of what it's all about.
I would definitely recommend this to anyone who is involved in property management, especially like myself, because we deal with this every day.
This was a great presentation for anyone that's in property management, real estate development, and construction. Everyone in those industries really need to understand what mold is and what the headaches are, and more importantly, what New York State rules and laws say we have to do. And that's what I think Russ really hit it out of the park.